Hi folks, my next little lazy detailing video will be based around this product here. This is Turtle Wax Sealant Hydrophobic Wax. I'm no salesperson, so I'm not going to get into the finer details of this until I've used it. However, this is like many quick waxes, sealants, a spray-on, buff-on style approach for application. Similar to my Sonax BSD video, you can apply it to your wet car, and it actually does say that, as opposed to me cheating by doing it that way. It does actually say in the instructions that you can do it that way. So after washing the car on wet panels, a few sprays per panel, dry that panel, move on to the next, etc, etc. That's the application procedure I'm going to go for. You can see I am working on another of the fleet, the E36 M3 Saloon. So I'm going to get this car washed up. Not that it's that dirty, of course, never gets dirty, but I'll give it a quick try on that. I have a sort of cars and coffee stroke show style thing on Saturday, and this being Thursday, so I want to get the car looking its best, ready for it. So anyway, I'll get cracking on, get the car washed, and fire up the camera again whenever I'm just about to apply this product here. Again, it's similar to BSD, similar sort of money, if not, I think it's maybe a bit cheaper, but available from the likes of Car Parts for Less, Euro Car Parts or similar. So it's a cheap, possibly a quick solution, and whether it does, supposedly it has very good hydrophobic properties, but whether it actually adds much to the appearance or shine of the car, and as you can probably see on the camera, the car is actually well waxed up and its appearance is quite good, to put it politely. So we'll see if this wax adds much to it. So there. Okay folks, time to give this a go now. From reading over the instructions again for confirmation, it recommends you do a panel at a time, so I'm probably going to try the bonnet just for ease and obviously viewability on the camera. So give the bonnet a few quick sprays. I've obviously given the product a good shake and see how that turns out. And as you can see, obviously the car's washed, and I also believe, as a note, it comes under a different name in the States, this product. I think it's Ice something or other possibly. Either way, I believe it is the same product, so let's see how this goes. As you can see there, that's the bonnet done. Seems to be a-okay. Comments on it initially, I've heard people say it does need a day to cure. Initial perception, does it seem to be doing anything? Not quite yet. I would say it didn't seem to be initially that water repellent when it was put onto the panel, but we'll find out. I'll continue on doing the rest of the car and see how that goes. Okay folks, that is the car all dried down with the Turtle Wax Sealant Hydrophobic Wax. Initial perceptions I would say is it doesn't seem to have any initial water beading or water repellent properties straight away. When I was spraying it on the open water and beads, it didn't really seem to be repelling the water instantly, which is quite interesting. Most detailing sprays or quick waxes, as soon as you spray them on the water you see it repelling and creating the surface tension, so that's interesting. But looking at the car now, it does seem to have a good shine on it. Has it improved it? Possibly yes. It's now going to go back into the garage, so it'll get the day's curing time that some people have recommended, you know, keeping it dry for a day. So we'll see what that does, and I'll hopefully be able to close the video with a few nice photos of it up at a Carson coffee meet in a few days time. Alright, all the best, bye. Okay, just a quick closing statement on the Turtle Wax Sealant Hydrophobic Wax. Say in comparison to the likes of the Sonax BSD, this seems to produce a much better shine or gloss appearance in the finish. I'm standing right in the garage here at the M3, as you can see. It's been on roughly 2 weeks. I've put it in a few other cars that I have and got a few friends and family to try it, and everybody's pretty much said the same thing. In comparison to Sonax BSD, much easier to apply, produces a better finish. Whether it's as durable, bear in mind there's only 2-3 weeks into it, it remains to be seen, but we'll find out anyway. We'll see how it goes. But one thing I would have to say, I would sort of recommend you do a panel at a time. It does seem to dry a bit quicker than the likes of Sonax BSD, so say you do the roof or the bonnet, wipe it down, go on to the next panel as it's wet. That's how I used it. It was a bit of a wet application. But yeah, certainly worth giving it a go and try it. Sure, let me know what you think, but it's a simple product to use, cheap and great value. Give it a go. There's another quick preview of how the Turtle Wax looks. You can see actually the camera's struggling just to sort of put it across as the reflections kick in, but it really does produce a really good gloss that way, and certainly is better than the Sonax BSD. Not bad for an extra 5-10 minutes effort after washing your car.